God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Hey family and friendsies, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another grocery haul for you today. And guys, today this is going to be a pretty massive one. We ordered from Walmart Home Delivery, and I am going to show you guys what all we got. Okay, so we're going to start over here. We have to get some more waffles and some more quick foods for the house. You know, I'm big on having something quick in the house when I don't feel like cooking. So we're going to start over here. We have a box of the Eggo French toaster sticks. And I got the large box of blueberry waffles this time because it seemed like the smaller box with just 10 and it just goes so fast. All of us eat it. So we went on the larger side this time and ordered the larger box. So over here we have a box of the New York breadsticks, and we also have a box of the Totino's Party pizzas. It's 4 individual pizzas inside. This pizza is really good, y'all. If you like quick oven pizza, this is a really good pizza, along with the DiGiorno's. That's very good as well. And over here we have our TV dinners, as we used to call them back in the day, the banquets. So over here we have some pot pies. We have chicken pot pie, and we also have turkey pot pie. I got like 3 of each. We also down here have 3 of the banquet turkey dinners. We have 3 of the Salisbury steak dinners, and we also have 3 of the chicken nuggets with mac and cheese. Over here we have a box of the Encore chicken parm. Right back here, we got a couple of snacks. We got a package of the chocolate chip cookies, as well as the Cheez-It crackers, family size. And both of these are family size so that they can last a little longer in our household. We got a box of the club crackers. I got this because I did pick up some cold cuts, and you know, I like to have ham and cheese on crackers sometimes for a light snack. Right down here, we have a bag of the rigatoni pasta. We have a box of fettuccine. I plan on making shrimp or chicken Alfredo one of these days. Also, I have a box of the bow tie pasta and 2 boxes of onion soup mix. Right over here, we have a small package of chicken thighs. You know, chicken thighs they can be quite fatty at times, but this piece of meat is usually always the juiciest. They're pretty good. You know, I don't buy it often, but there is a recipe that I want to try that calls for chicken thighs, so that's why I picked up a small package of that. I also have 1 whole chicken here, and we also have a bag of the party wings, chicken party wings, and we have 2 packages of the smoked turkey legs. And right over here across from the turkey legs, we have bacon. I have 3 packages of the bacon here. And also up from the bacon, I have 1 large pack of the ground beef. And I also have a small pack of ground beef over here. This is going to be for tacos, and this is going to be for pasta, or maybe I'll make a meatloaf. I'm not sure yet. But I do have enough pasta here where I can make some pasta and meat sauce. So most likely that's what I'll be making. And then up here I have some country style ribs. These are just thick cut pork ribs. And I also have a package of the thin steaks right back there. I like making that with onions and peppers, and I usually make a really nice gravy to go along with that. And then right over here, I have a package of sweet Italian sausage links. We also have the lumberjack Roger Wood smoked sausage back there. We also had to get some more garbage bags. I would have gotten a large box. I don't know why I just got a box with 20 in them, but it is what it is. I'll order a large box next time. But I like getting the garbage bags that are scented with the Fabuloso scent. And we also had to get some more foil for the house, some Reynolds wrap. Over here, I have a bag of the swai fillets. The swai fillet fish is so good, y'all. It is absolutely delicious. If you love fish, you definitely need to try it. We usually eat ours fried. It is so good. It's a nice, very light, fluffy fish. And then over here, we got a bag of the raw shrimp. This is already peeled and deveined with the tail off, which saves a lot of time. So over here is all of our vegetables, and you know, some fruits is over here as well. So right down here, we have a package of the chive butter roasted potatoes. We also have a bag of mixed vegetables right over here. I have 2 packages of the California vegetable mix, and then I have 2 packages of the whole kernel corn. We also got 2 packages of steamed fresh broccoli florets, and we have 1 package of Brussels sprouts. We also have 1 bag of the onion blend. I love the frozen vegetables, y'all, because, you know, these are all steamable. So you could just pop these right in the microwave and steam them within a matter of a few minutes. Very quick, very easy. You don't have to worry about boiling the vegetables. All you do is just take it out of the bag, put it into a bowl. You can put whatever seasonings you want on it, a little bit of butter, and there you go, your fresh vegetables. And then over here, we have a package of the honey ham so that we can make some sandwiches. We had to get another pack of sliced cheese. Right here, we have a small bottle of the Miracle Whip. We like Miracle Whip with our sandwiches. I also have a package of applesauce over here, the Cinnamon Mott's applesauce. We have a bunch of bananas. We have some cutie oranges back there, and I got another box of the Sun-Maid raisins. Guys, I've been snacking on raisins. I used to snack on raisins when I was much younger, but I just stopped, you know, going to the grocery store. When you're going grocery shopping, you don't think about buying raisins. But the last time I went grocery shopping, I bought raisins because I wanted to make oatmeal raisin cookies. And I was snacking on them in between. I just started liking them, so I want to try and keep some raisins in the house. I need a nice light snack. So over here next to the raisins, I have a 18 pack of eggs. We also got a bag of the jasmine rice right back there. We have a bag of the crinkle cut French fries, and we also have a bag of the Checkers French fries. Right below the French fries, we have a small package of the mini cucumbers. And then next to the cucumbers, we have 2 packages of vanilla extract, and then we have a package of the lemon extract. I like using those on my candy yams, which we have right down here. And next to the candy yams, I have a package of yeast. I like making bread. I will be making my homemade breadsticks, and I would like to make some homemade biscuits as well. Not sure when, but we'll see. We'll see. I have 2 packages of the taco seasoning. I have a package of the hash browns right here. You guys know we love popping these into the air fryer. Have a quick breakfast with either some sausage or some bacon. I also have 2 boxes of the Szechuan Goya. We love using this on our chicken or any type of meat that we're making. This is good on chicken, and I usually put it on my steaks. So yeah. Oh, and also your pork. Pork, chicken, and steaks is very good, and it gives a very nice flavor and color on your food. And right back here, I had to get a small bottle of lemon juice. I have a bottle of the grated Parmesan cheese for my Alfredo sauce when I make the Alfredo. Also, I had to restock on some of our seasonings. I have parsley, onion powder. I wasn't supposed to have 2 onion powders. I was supposed to have 1 onion powder and 1 garlic powder. So I guess maybe they didn't have it. I'm not sure. But next to that, I have some minced onion, kosher salt, and garlic salt. This is my favorite garlic salt right here. I like this one, the Laurie's brand, because it is coarse and it has parsley inside as well. And it has very good flavor. You only need a little pinch of this garlic salt. It's really good. Also, I had to get a couple of cans of vegetables. I got 2 cans of the whole kernel corn and 2 cans of the cut green beans. I also got a bottle of the low sodium soy sauce. I got 2 boxes of cornbread. We had to get some more ketchup, so I did order a large bottle of that, and also a container of the Wondra. I use the Wondra to make my homemade gravies. It makes an easy roux, and it don't clump up as much as regular flour would. And I also had to get another bag of all-purpose flour. And right down here, we have a bag of light brown sugar. And just over here, guys, we had to get some more 4C iced tea mix. We got some quick rolled oats so that when I make my oatmeal cookies, I'll have it. Also, we have a gallon of milk here. Also, a bottle of the strawberry banana smoothie. We have 1 loaf of the honey wheat bread. We have a package of English muffins here, cinnamon raisin brand. And we also have a package of the Thomas's mini muffins. And we also have a package of the blueberry and chocolate chip muffins here. This is just a 4-pack. I also ordered the strawberries and cream oatmeal. And guys, for me to love oatmeal cookies so much, I don't like oatmeal. I just can't get with the taste. I can't get with the texture. It's all a mind thing. I know it is. I've tried my oatmeal many different ways. I've tried it with raisins. I tried it with cranberries. I tried it with strawberries. I just can't shake that texture and the way it look. Like I said, it's a mind thing. I just can't eat it, but my girls love it. So I ordered the strawberries and cream oatmeal. Also, I got a package of the Puerto Rican style Italian bread. This is just a long bread that we usually use for our sandwiches. And then over here we have 1 quart of the heavy whipping cream. I had to get a bottle of V8 Splash. We haven't had this in a long time, so we got a bottle of the Mango Peach V8 Splash. Right over here, I got, this is actually a double pack of the sweet cream butter. This is 4 sticks in each box, so we got 8 sticks in total, and I got 2 sticks of the garlic herb butter here. Right back here, I also got a bottle of the Starbucks iced coffee. This is medium roast sweetened. I also have a bottle of Simply orange juice. And then we have Grand's biscuits right down here. And I also have a bottle of the Smucker's apple jelly. I love apple jelly, y'all. I haven't had apple jelly in so long. I actually grew up on this. We love eating this on toast, English muffins, bagels. It's so good. And then right back here, we restocked on our juice. We have 1 Minute Maid fruit punch, strawberry lemonade, mango punch, peach punch, and tropical punch. Right down here, guys, I just ordered 1 ice cream scoop because we have ice cream in the house and our scoop broke, so I had to get another one. Okay, family and frenzies, this will conclude our grocery haul for today. You all enjoyed it. I also hope that I was able to give you all some inspiration or maybe a few other things you may want to try, something you may want to pick up during your next shopping day. Guys, please don't forget to click that like button if you like this video.
You can also leave me a comment, guys. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe. Bye.